Hi everyone! Welcome back to English the Gab Lab. Today, we are traveling to New York with Patrick. He is there for work, but he has many problems at his hotel. No passport, no water, and no Wi-Fi. Do you know what to say in these situations? Stay tuned and learn the most important phrases for your next trip. Let's start.
Good afternoon. Welcome to New York. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to check in, please. I have a reservation under the name Patrick.
One moment, please. Yes, here it is. Patrick William. For 3 nights?
That's right. I'm here for work. Perfect. I need your ID or passport, please. Yes, of course. 1 second. Oh, no.
Is there a problem?
Yes, I can't find my passport. Wait, let's see. Is it in my backpack? No. Oh, man. Where did I put it?
Don't worry. Take your time. It usually happens after a long trip. Ah, here it is. It was inside my laptop bag. I'm sorry. No problem. Thank you.
Could you sign here, please? I also need a credit card for incidental charges.
Of course. Here you go. What time is breakfast? Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. on the first floor. Here is your key card. You're in room 304. Great. What floor is it on? On the 3rd floor, room 4. The elevator is over there to the right. And one last question, please. What is the Wi-Fi password? It's the name of the hotel in capital letters. Perfect. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Finally. I'm so tired. I need to take a good shower and put on some comfortable clothes to work a bit on my laptop. Oh no, I don't have any water. Hello? Reception? This is Patrick from room 304. I have a few problems. Yes, Mr. Patrick. How can I help you? There is no water in the bathroom. Also, the room is very cold, and the heating is not working.
Oh, I'm very sorry. I will send a technician right now. Anything else?
Yes, I don't have any towels either. Could you send me some clean towels, please? No water, no heat, and no towels. I am so sorry, sir. I will send a technician to look at it, and we will bring up some clean towels right now. And one last thing. I'm trying to connect to the Wi-Fi, but the password is not working. I need to work. Okay, I am so sorry, Mr. Patrick. I have a better idea. I'm going to give you an upgrade. I'm going to change your room right now. Really? I appreciate it a lot. Yes, you are moving to room 805. It's a suite with a great view of New York.
That sounds perfect. Does everything work there?
Yes, everything is perfect in room 805. The Wi-Fi is very fast, the water is hot, and the heating works perfectly.
Great. So I'll go down to reception and we'll swap the keys, right?
That's right. Thank you very much. See you downstairs in a moment. Hello, Mr. William. I am so sorry about what happened. Here is the card for your new room. I hope everything works well. I am very tired from the trip, and I just want a hot shower and to work a little bit on my laptop. You will be great in that room, you'll see. Anyway, if you have any problems, contact us. We apologize for the inconvenience, and enjoy your stay. Thank you very much. You're very kind. Bye. It's a pleasure. Bye.
Awesome! I hope you've learned some useful phrases, like, I'd like to check in, what time is breakfast, What floor is it on? And what is the Wi-Fi password? These can help you a lot at your next hotel. Now, let's do a short quiz with 3 questions to check your understanding. Don't forget to write your answers in the comments. You can do it! 1. Where did Patrick finally find his passport? A. Inside his backpack. B. Inside his laptop bag. 2. What was one of the problems in room 304? A. The room was too hot. B. There was no water in the bathroom. 3. What is Patrick's new room number? A. Room 805. B. Room 304. Well, Patrick finally has a great room in New York. He had a difficult day, but now he knows exactly what to say. Now, I have a question for you. Have you ever had a problem in a hotel? Tell me your story in the comments using one of today's phrases. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future lessons. See you in the next video. Bye!